found Morse the code. Morse the thing.
So we got this fat guy named Morse.
Guys, we found Morse.
Oh my god.
We found Morse. We found Morse, guys. We found Morse.
Oh
No way, guys. We found Morse. This is the real gorilla tag. Let me show you.
Like his name tag?
Dude, there.
Is changing. Oh my
Dude.
god. Wait.
Z1. What was his name?
Yeah, guys, we found we found Banshee. Not Banshee. Morse. Guys, we found Morse. This is Morse code. If someone can translate this, please do. He has stopped.
People keep tagging him. Are you trying to get banned?
Guys, we found Morse. Oh,
Read his name.
and guys, can we get to a lot of subscribers so I can maybe get to try to do that. But
that's not
oh,
the
he's Rainbow.
Come back to the real tag after 1 year.
Dude,
Everybody.
this is insane, guys.
Guys, someone leave this server.
Guys, I'm in sren17. We found 2 ghosts. Well, it wasn't a ghost, but there was someone hacking named 666. That was his name. And we found Morse.
Don't tag him. Do not tag him.
Oh! Guys, he's using Ghost Monkey. First, he got long arms, put his thing down, put it right there, go to the color section, and keep pressing buttons. And that's how. I'm pretty sure that's how.
So sure.
Guys, this is so insane. Let's do this. Banshee. No, why do I keep saying Banshee, man? I don't get it. Why am I'm caught? But holy,
Doing this, bro.
we found big. Oh my god, yeah, so cool. This is so cool. Stop, don't grab his balls.
Yeah, he's playing funny music.
Guys, move if you're a real ghost. Do Morse code. Do Morse code again. Move around if you're the real ghost. Was it because you're a ghost? Get tiptoe in here.
How did they get unmuted?
Get tiptoe in here. Get tiptoe in here if you're a real ghost. Get tiptoe. I know you can hear me. You ain't that sick. Oh hell no! Yeah, guys, we've confirmed it. He is a ghost.
Wait, no, do y'all see his hands? He's a premium.
Bro, wait a minute. I'm gonna Hey, try to
Guys, he's a real ghost. He can ban us. Guys, no, nah. Guys, I go in sren17 and you will find this.
He's using spaz.
He's using Morse code. If you guys find this, translate it and put it in my comments.
show you the video.
I'll make a little short for this too. Dude, act like tiptoe. Make Daisy09 join us. If you're a real ghost, I want to see Daisy09. Holy crap. I'm doing a video and I just found a ghost. Okay.
I don't know what he's
No!
Don't snowball at him. Got Morse code that I used to know.
I'm doing a video.
I am J3VU.
J3VU?
What did he just say? No, he said he is JAVU. That is a hostile ghost. That is a hostile ghost.
I'm gonna unmute one person.
Oh, that's a hostile ghost.
Don't unmute. He's a winning bot. No, I did not unmute the
Guys, this is insane. We have just found a ghost. Guys, we will go ghost hunting in this code.
Get to the creepy stuff and just
Guys, I will come back in 30 minutes and we will go ghost hunting. Stay in this code, sren17. Guys, see, I'm bending his neck. I'm bending it. I'm bending it, man. See, that's how strong I am. I'm bending his hand.
His arms are like moving, but not. Stop it! You're gonna get me.
Guys, I will go ghost hunting in this code. I will try run and 2 others for this. Okay? I'll be back.